Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's see what are your messages, what you need to know for your love life, what universe has to tell you, what's gonna happen next in your relationship, in your connection. Okay, let's have some messages for you. What is going to happen next in your connection? What is the energy? What you can expect? Okay, one card flip. Let's see what is that. Strength. I think you are keeping the strength. Okay, somewhere you are trying to be very very strong here because your person has not been reaching you out. This person is not connecting with you. We have the strength card to start with, but let's see what is the energy of your connection. What are the messages for your connection? Let's see. King of Pentacles. Basically, a person is not speaking up even though they have feelings for you. They are behaving very arrogant. They are not accountable. They are like, keeping things to themselves, not giving you commitment and stability that you actually want in this relationship. Okay, they are not expressing their feeling. They are keeping things to themselves. I think you are waiting very strongly here with the strength card. Yeah, you are in your power, guys. See, Queen of Wands energy. You are not chasing this person. You are in your power. You are in your power for sure. Okay, you have the courage, you have the confidence in you that I'm not gonna chase this person. I'm only going to wait for this person to come back to me. If this person really loves me, this person is going to come back. But we have Eight of Wands. Okay, so this person, I think, again, facing lots of challenges. Okay, in this relationship, this person's energy is very challenging also. You both have been always protecting, defending yourself in this relationship. They want to reach you out. I feel like this person wants to reach you out. Maybe they are going through some challenges. Okay, they are trying to defend, they are trying to protect, they are trying to come towards you. They still have feelings for you. Okay, but not telling you that. See the Empress card. This person somewhere feels that you are the Empress of this person's life. Okay, and the Empress is very beautiful, very caring, very nurturing person. Okay, so you have been like this to this person, always caring, nurturing, giver in this relationship. You guys know each other for so long. I think, I feel like what I'm getting from here is that, your energy where everything is very deserted. This person deserted you. This person gave you a very tough time. Okay, and now I feel like, there is rejuvenation. If you see here, it's like, some all the grass or all the leaves are like very dry out. This, if you see, it's very like, I'm getting it's just like, when you have the harvest time. Okay, during harvest, this person is going to reach you out. When you actually harvest the crop, especially wheat harvesting. Okay, and there is like rejuvenation between you both. I feel like, everything is going to change. If you see the water behind, if you see the the back trees here, it's just like very beautiful, very rejuvenating. Then this field here. Okay, the field is full of like very dry crop, or like you will say like it's just very dry, like your relationship has been very deserted or very like lifeless. And if you see the water is coming back, the rejuvenation is coming back in your life, and you are waiting for this person. You've always supported this person in their hard times. Okay, and you have always given this person lots of love, care, emotion. You are their support always. Yeah, Six of Wands energy. 6 days, 6 weeks, June month. This person is coming back. 6 hours as well. But this person is returning back to you. This is a reconciliation energy. This is also movement, okay, towards you. Your wait will be over. 10 of Wands. They are going through some challenges for sure. Okay, you are the healer in this connection. You have always supported, loved this person. You heal this person. Okay, but in that healing process, somewhere you have got disturbed. You have got like, things have gone so messed up, you are not feeling well, you are trying to get your confidence, your courage back, you're trying to be strong, because your person have taken all your energy, they have drained you completely, and you are the one who is like, taking this relationship, holding on to this relationship, trying to put all your effort here. Okay, but this is like a very stress energy I'm getting. You got really stressed and this relationship got really disturbed or drained. Okay, see, I'm seeing Ace of Pentacles, which is a new beginning, which is offer, proposal, opportunity from the universe to you both, like a new start, fresh. If you see, guys, it's like greenery everywhere. Okay, now the flowers are like, blossoming, and everything is very fresh, everything is very green and rejuvenated. Okay, like I think this relationship is going to get rejuvenated. This is like a fresh start between you both, a new beginning that is waiting for you both. Okay, with the Ace of Pentacles, this is like a fresh start. This person is coming back to you, okay, to give you offer, to give you proposal, to give you commitment, a happy time. Yeah, see, Eight of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles, like putting effort into this relationship. Okay, Eight of Pentacles, like putting effort into this relationship, mending things with you, making effort. Pentacles, value, stability. They want to give you value and stability. They want to work on it. Yeah, they want to work on it for sure. No matter how draining this relationship got, but this person is returning back to give you stability, value, commitment. There will be a new beginning between you and your person. Four of Cups, maybe they have been rejecting your proposal, maybe they have been rejecting your effort, your emotions in this connection, and you got tired that I cannot put effort anymore, because I'm done putting effort. I have done everything to mend this relationship, but now it's your time to put effort. Okay, I am not coming back to you if you're not going to give me clarity, commitment, stability, especially value. If you don't value me, I'm not gonna stay. This is your energy. Okay, Page of Wands, confident. This person is very confident, coming towards you, thinking about you. They know what they have to do now. They are ready to take action here. You are the Queen and they are the Page, guys. Okay, you are the Queen. Not gender specific reading, but Queen are like very mature. They know what they are doing. But this person with the Page energy, both have wands. Okay, but this person with the wands energy is like, this person is very immature. They don't know what they are doing. They don't know what decision they are taking. Okay, yeah, that is a transformation. This is a new beginning that's waiting for you both. It's like a fresh start in this relationship, a new beginning that's gonna be there. This person's thinking about you. This person's coming back to you. This person's returning back for sure. Five of Pentacles. They abandoned you, actually. They abandoned you, and now they gave you a very hot and cold treatment. You were like suffering in this relationship. Okay, you were the chaser, but you stopped chasing this person and you took your decision. Okay, now this person wants to mend things with you. After giving you a tough time, this person wants to mend things with you. That's what I'm getting with this Eight of Pentacles energy. They are very emotional about you. They are thinking about you. This person is very fearful also. What if you are going to give this person another chance or not in this connection? But the Moon energy is all about emotional. Okay, this person is getting very emotional about you and this relationship. Okay, that's what I'm getting. Let's take one last card. Three of Swords. They really broke your heart, guys. This relationship needs healing. This relationship needs healing. This relationship needs, like, whatever past baggages are there, you guys need to work on it and move ahead. Okay, if you guys want to mend this relationship, there could be third party situation for some people, but I feel like this person really hurt you in this connection. They left you hurt, they left you crying, they left you without any closure, but now this person is returning back. But this is your decision, what decision you're gonna take. Okay, this is like, give me another chance. I want to have a new beginning with you. Okay, I want another chance in this connection. I will put effort, I will work on this relationship. Okay, but again, this is your decision, because they broke your heart, they gave you emotional pain, they gave you grief. Okay, they chose the third party and left you. Now they're coming back for another chance, but again, it is your decision if you want to give this person another chance, or you just want to kind of leave this relation and move on. See what I have, move on. Okay, for some people, I feel like you guys are planning to move on because they really broke your heart. They really gave you tough time. Okay, no matter how much effort you have put in this relationship, they have always given you this tough time, tough energy. Okay, always ignored you, always ignored your feelings, always ignored your efforts. Okay, moving. So yeah, this is your decision if you want to move on or you want to be with this person again. Okay, if you want to be with this person. Again, this is again to be together. This is going to be your decision. They are still trying to figure out themselves. Okay, there's a mosquito. Anyway, okay, they're still trying to forget. They're still trying to forget. Okay, maybe they're still trying to forget you, but they are not able to. Okay, and they are still trying to figure out themselves as well. Why did I say forget? They are still trying to forget you, but they cannot. They are trying to forget, but they are they're not able to do so. Yeah, it's a no from right now. Just not the right time. Okay, that's why there is delay in this relationship. Maybe it's just not the right time. Okay, let's get one last card for you. Commitment. Yeah, it's just not the right time, but yeah, commitment. They want to give you commitment. They want to work on this connection. Okay, this is what I am seeing. So these things are getting serious for you. Commitment that's coming for you. But guys, see again, your decision. What decision you're going to choose? This is the commitment energy. This is something they are going to offer you. Okay, so again, it's your decision. Whatever decision you are going to take, you have to wait for things to get better, because you need to let this person to put effort first, look after their action, then take a decision. Okay, no, just don't go on after their words, go after their action, whatever action they are taking for you. Okay, so this was your reading. I hope you can resonate with it. I'm going to see you in my next video. Take care of yourself, guys. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.